To translate, to slide without changing the orientation. A translation is a moving of a point or a shape without changing the orientation of the shape. The other rigid motions are rotations and reflections. A rotation is what it sounds like, rotating a point or a shape clockwise, parentheses to the right, end parentheses, or counterclockwise, parentheses to the left, end parentheses, a set number of degrees, about a defined point called the center of rotation. The hands of an analog clock may be imagined to envision rotation. Unfortunately, many students no longer use or even see analog clocks. To reflect is to flip across a line or a point. The point or line will be defined, and if a line is used, the most common might be the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line of y equals x, parentheses, which is a diagonally graphed line through the origin up to the right at a 45-degree angle, end parentheses. In an effort to understand what reflecting is, imagine a book with clear, see-through pages attached to a spine. If a dot or shape is drawn on the left side page, and then the page is turned so that now it is on the right, and it is see-through, then the shape or point has been reflected about the line, which is the spine. The other manipulation of images we work with is called a dilation, which is to enlarge or to shrink by a scale factor, and is not considered a rigid motion. Rigid motions and dilations can be combined into combinations. To translate means to slide a shape without changing the orientation. Antonyms, translation. Related words, rigid motions, translation, reflection, dilation, combination, orientation, center of rotation.